It is indeed a new day, a new week, and of course, indeed, it is Monday. And I want to say to you guys, if you are here today, alive and well, in the land of the living, hey, you ought to be thankful. You ought to be grateful because you have that greatest opportunity today, which is life. So what more do you want? The simple things are your blessings. And getting up today was that greatest opportunity for you today. Somebody somewhere is not fortunate with life today, but you are. So why are you being so ungrateful? With you just getting up today, you had that ability to do so many things where somebody was not even fortunate with that opportunity today. So appreciate that simple thing and make the best out of it. Make every second of your day count, right? So today I just want to say, guys, with all what's going on in the Caribbean, around us, the world, I want to say to you guys, we are all facing the struggles today with Corona and, of course, with our sister island, St. Vincent, where the volcano has erupted. We all are suffering. But we all now have to lend that helping hand to one another. We all are feeling it. But is that the purpose to tell you, it is all over? My hopes have gone lower. My faith in the Almighty has limited. It is saying to you that change is going to happen. But are you all settled, to adapt in agreeing and moving along with change? Things will happen. Change will come into play. But are you willing to adapt and to move along? Do we know what's going to happen tomorrow, next week, next month, next year? No, we do not know. So all we know is to just expect something to happen. And we are going to be moving along with change, with our mass, with everything to do. We will do everything in that manner. So with everything that is going on, is just a process to know that changes will come in life. Changes that we do not know that will happen, but we have to expect it at any time. So it is all down to how you react, how you're going to move, how you're going to do this, how you're going to do that. It all lies down on the reaction of what's going on. With all the eruption in St. Vincent, we are not telling our people to lose hope. We are not telling our people that God has turned his back against them. We are telling them that there is something better to come with what's going on. We are telling them, that everything is going to be okay. We are telling them that we are here for them. Because we do not know when it's going to be our turn, but we ought to have one another's back in any way possible. We are ought to stretch. We are ought to assist. We are ought to help in the simplest way that is possible, through prayers. We may think prayer is the cheapest thing, but let me tell you something. Prayer is the most powerful thing that you could give into return for somebody to gain in something or for a betterment in anything a country or place is happening. Don't believe that your donations, all whatever you're giving, it's all. But if you do not have the will and the whole country at heart that things will happen, God is going to make it happen. God is going to have a better change for them in there. You're not doing that much. In life, money can give you anything. This is what it says. But how deep will that money go? Can money give persons, that value to appreciate life so much? No. Can money drive somebody, to have better hope? No. Hope is when you're going to believe that something better, through Christ, through prayers, through worship, through somebody telling you, believe, have faith, better days are going to come. And I need my brothers and sisters on the other island, through all what they're going through. We're feeling it as well, but they're having the bigger impact in Barbados. They all are feeling it. And we ought to be saying, it's their turn. We don't care. God is giving them their tests. We don't know what's going to happen to us, but we ought to have their back in any way possible. Life is strange. Life is something today is going to be so happy, and so, we're living that moment. But we do not know what's going to happen in the instant of an hour or the day to come. So we live in that moment, not prepared. We move on not prepared. We move on not to think that something could happen on a bad way, to adapt to change. This is what life is coming to. Changes, and everything in life is happening with change. So this is what I had to say to this week, guys. Stay blessed, stay productive, and always remember, guys, to be yourself. No matter what that is going on, wherever you are, remember to be yourself. Faith over fear. Never give up. Stay blessed. Stay safe, guys. Peace.